Welcome back, thrill seekers and innovation lovers. Today we're diving into the future of mobility with the top 8 most interesting vehicles of 2025. From mind-blowing electric rides to futuristic machines that push the limits of design and performance, these creations will leave you speechless. Buckle up, because this journey is about to get exciting. Lean Mobility 3 is a bold new vision for urban transport, combining compact size with smart innovation to make city driving easier and more enjoyable. At just 1/3 the size of a regular car, this two-seater still surprises with family-friendly practicality, offering space for an ISO-fix child seat in the rear. Its highlight is the active lean system, which uses G-gyro sensors to tilt the vehicle naturally into turns, delivering both stability and agility. Inside, the fully enclosed cabin with air conditioning ensures comfort across all weather conditions. Powered by an 8.1 kWh Li-iron phosphate battery, the Lean 3 delivers a top speed of 80 km per hour and a range of nearly 100 km per charge, making it perfect for fast-paced city commutes. With B2B pre-orders already underway in Taiwan, this futuristic micro-EV is set to change how modern urban mobility looks and feels. Afreda S8 is a unique electric tricycle that combines comfort, safety, and modern design for a smooth cruising experience. Equipped with wide 3.0-inch flat front tires and a sleek aerodynamic frame, it offers excellent balance and stability on urban roads. What sets it apart is its patented balance system, providing a self-stabilizing ride that feels secure and effortless, making it suitable for riders of all ages. Powering the S8 are removable flame-retardant gel batteries, which not only add safety, but also allow convenient swapping, delivering up to 50 miles of range per charge. With a top speed that keeps city riding both efficient and fun, this trike is priced at just USD 1,800, a striking 37% discount off its regular cost. By blending premium engineering, thoughtful safety, and affordability, the Afreda S8 stands out as an exciting choice for those seeking reliable and stylish electric mobility. Topmate ES35 is a lightweight, foldable 3-wheel electric trike designed for adults who value compact and travel-friendly mobility. Weighing only 35.5 pounds, yet capable of supporting up to 220.5 pounds, it's perfect for short commutes, errands, or even airline travel. Its efficient 250-watt motor provides 3 adjustable speeds, about 3, 7, and 15 miles per hour, and also includes a reverse function capped at 3 miles per hour for easy maneuvering. Power comes from a removable 36-volt 7.8-hour lithium battery with an optional 94-watt-hour version, offering a range of 15.5 to 18.6 miles per charge. For comfort and stability, the ES35 is equipped with 10-inch pneumatic tires, wide footrests, and an extended rear axle measuring around 19.7 inches, while a bright LED panel keeps riders updated in real time. Starting at just $799, this compact trike blends portability, performance, and modern convenience for effortless, everyday mobility. Kawasaki Corleo is a radical new concept in mobility, merging robotics with motorcycle engineering to create a 4-legged, hydrogen-powered off-road machine. Revealed at Expo 2025 in Osaka, it moves with agility and balance across grasslands, rocky terrain, and even rubble, thanks to its robotic legs equipped with rubberized hooves. What makes it exciting is the riding experience. Riders control movement through stirrups and handlebars that respond to weight shifts, much like horseback riding, making the interaction feel natural and intuitive. Powering this futuristic design is a 150cc hydrogen engine that generates electricity for each leg's drive unit, with clean water vapor as its only emission. Corleo is more than a vehicle. It's a bold statement about sustainable mobility and innovation, showing how Kawasaki imagines the future of personal transportation across challenging landscapes. INMOTION V12S is a high-performance electric unicycle built to transform urban mobility with a mix of speed, comfort, and smart features. Weighing 77 pounds and supporting up to 309 pounds, it combines a 140-watt Samsung 50S battery with a 2,500-watt motor, peaking at 6,000 watts, reaching speeds of 43.5 miles per hour and offering a range of 50 to 75 miles. Its motorcycle-grade hydraulic suspension with 90 mm of travel ensures smooth cruising even on rough streets. Connectivity takes it further with Ride Connect, providing remote locking, GPS tracking, and motion-triggered anti-theft alerts, while a 4.3-inch automotive-grade touchscreen displays vital ride data. Adding flair and utility, the V12S includes 256-color ambient lighting, group ride audio sync, and dual USB charging, making every ride both stylish and practical. It's a sleek mobility solution for riders seeking performance, range, and innovation. Heybike Ranger 3.0 Pro is a powerful folding fat tire e-bike designed for commuting, touring, and adventure with style and ease. Built on a strong, hydroformed 6061 aluminum alloy step-through frame, it comes with a removable 720-watt lithium-ion battery, rear rack, and fenders for added practicality. Comfort is a priority with full suspension, including a 65mm hydraulic front fork, and an adjustable rear air shock supporting up to 174 psi. Its 750-watt rear hub motor peaks at 1200 watts, delivering 80 Nm of torque, paired with a Shimano Altus 8-speed drivetrain and torque sensor for smooth, natural pedal assistance. Smart features include a bright TFT display with NFC start, IP65 rated electronics, integrated front and rear lights, horn and turn signals. With fat tires, hydraulic disc brakes, and a 440-pound payload, it folds into a compact size while offering strength, performance, and comfort for every ride. Volonaut Airbike is a groundbreaking single-seat hoverbike powered by jet propulsion, created by Polish engineer Tomasz Patan. Built from ultralight carbon fiber and precision 3D printed parts, it weighs just 30 to 40 kilograms, making it nearly 7 times lighter than a superbike. Using 4 thrust vectoring microjet turbines paired with a computerized stabilization system, it enables hovering and controlled flight with a full 360-degree cockpit view and no exposed propellers. The Airbike can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, while an ultralight version will be capped at 63 miles per hour to meet regulatory standards. Flight time is limited to about 10 minutes, but refueling with diesel Jet A1 or kerosene takes less than a minute, allowing riders to get back in the air almost instantly. Produced in limited numbers and accompanied by professional training, it delivers a bold glimpse into the future of personal flight. Onewheel Rally XL takes electric board riding to the next level. Built for riders who crave extreme performance and off-road adventure. Featuring a larger wheel and an advanced suspension system, it delivers unmatched stability, smoother carving, and superior control across all terrains. Whether it's trails, gravel, sand, or city streets, its high-torque motor ensures explosive acceleration and effortless climbing, while the extended battery range keeps you exploring longer without worrying about recharging. With precision engineering and a rugged design, it's not just about fun, but also about durability and reliability in every ride. Intuitive controls and responsive handling make it easy for beginners to learn, yet powerful enough to satisfy experienced riders. The Onewheel Rally XL redefines freedom on one wheel, combining speed, style, and rugged versatility into an exhilarating ride that pushes the boundaries of personal electric transport. And that wraps up our journey through the top 8 most interesting vehicles of 2025. Machines that prove the future of driving is here, and it's more exciting than ever. From bold designs to next-level innovation, these vehicles are changing the game. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Grid Zone for more amazing discoveries.